Noise safety. Noise can be an underestimated hazard in the workplace. Any worker exposed to high noise levels are at risk of suffering permanent hearing loss. It's also important to know that noise at lower levels can also be a hazard. Noise can have a temporary and permanent long-term effect. Noise can affect the nerve cells in your inner ear, causing a temporary or permanent hearing loss. You could also hear a ringing or buzzing in your ear called tinnitus. Long-term repeated exposure to loud noise may cause permanent hearing loss. How much hearing loss a person develops depends on the noise level and how long they are exposed to it. Hearing loss can also come from sudden loud noises like explosions, gunshots or hammering. If the noise is loud enough, the damage can be immediate and permanent. Loud noises may not seem like a big deal, but remember, hearing loss can't be repaired, so wear your protective equipment at all times. Always check with your supervisor or OH&S rep before doing any work you are not familiar with. Always remember, safety first. www.safetyfirst.org.au